This is our outhouse. Rhoda called it affectionately the pooper. So that name kind of stuck. I'm glad these rocks weren't part of our foundation. We thought we were going to have to keep them in, make a rock table. So that sun's awfully bright. I don't know if the picture's any good or not. But that's the front view of the home. And we got all our shipping containers. 2 is going to go into the wall, the retaining wall, and the other one is going to go up top to our solar. We've got solar up top. I'm gonna do a spin around. Okay.